Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity CAD. In this today's tutorial, we will create this lead screw bracket design. I hope you will like this tutorial. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe us. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I will here choose a top plane and select sketch. So let's select here center rectangle and select the center point. Draw one rectangle like this, escape, go to smart dimension, this distance to be 200 mm, and this distance should be 213 mm, and select OK. Now let's go to features and select extruded boss base. In this, give an height of 25 mm and select OK. Now let's select this face and select sketch. Now again select this face and go to convert entities. These edges are now converted. So let's select here center line and draw one line like this over here and horizontally like this. Now select smart dimension and give distance between these two lines to be 102 mm, and this distance between these two lines should be 38 mm. Select escape. Now let's go to trim entities and trim this much of portion. Select OK. Now select these two lines and uncheck for them construction and select OK. Now select here fillet and select these two entities. Give a radius of 45 mm. Select OK. So that's it. Now go to features and select extruded cut. Select flip side to cut 25 mm blind and select OK. Now let's select this face and select sketch. Again I will choose this face and select convert entities. Now select here center line, draw one center line like this, escape. Now let's give some dimensions to this. 83 mm, vertically it is 102 mm, escape. Now let's select here circle, draw two circles like this, select smart dimension, this diameter will be 70 mm and this will be 38.1 mm. Now let's escape. Again select here offset entities, select this line, give distance of 9.50 mm bidirectional and select OK. Now select trim entities and trim this unwanted portion. Let's escape. Now let's make it fully defined. So select your smart dimension, this distance will be 83 mm and select OK. Escape. Now let's go to features and select extruded boss base. So in this contours I will select this face and make it a distance of in a reverse direction 114 mm and select OK. Now I will choose this sketch. Let's edit it. We don't want this much of portion, so let's select here one line and draw one line like this. Escape, select trim entities and trim this line and this line. OK. Again select smart dimension and give distance between these two points to be 77 mm, and it's fully defined now. Escape it. Now again exit the sketch, select the sketch, select extruded boss base, and this time we will select this face. This distance will be 102 mm and direction will be reverse. Select OK. So that's it. Now select this face and select sketch. This time I will select this face, convert entities, again select a center line, draw one vertical center line like this. Escape, smart dimension, this distance 102 mm and distance from this line it is 35 mm. Escape. Again I will select one circle, draw two circles like this, select smart dimension 70, .10 mm. Escape. Now again select here offset entities, select the center line 9.5 mm bidirectional and select OK. Again select trim entities, trim this much of portion like this. These two lines and escape. Now let's give some smart dimension. This distance will be 35 mm and distance from here to here 77 mm and select OK. Escape. Now go to features and select extruded boss base. I'll select this contour, reverse direction, blind, and this distance will be 51 mm. Again I will choose this sketch and select extruded boss base. Now this time I will choose this contour and reverse direction, make it 38 mm and select OK. Now I will choose this face and select sketch. Let's select convert entities and select this outside edges, select OK. Select offset entities, select these edges and uncheck for your bidirectional, give it a distance of 19 mm, select OK. Again select convert entities, select this edge as well as this edge, OK. Again trim entities, trim this unwanted portion and select OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss base. Give here a height of 76 mm and select OK. Some portion of this extrude is inside of this circular portion, so what we can do is let's extrude cut it, and I will select this face, select sketch. Now select convert entities and select this edge, select OK, go to features, extruded cut, make it through all and select OK. See, it's gone. Now same for this circle. So again I will select this face, sketch, convert entities, select this edge, OK, go to features and select extruded cut, and same as it is, make it through all, select OK. So I will select this face and select sketch, select this circle, draw two circles like this, smart dimension, this diameter to be 19 mm, escape, again go to smart dimension and distance between these two lines is 19 mm. This vertical distance is 16 mm and select escape. Now select this circle and this circle, make them equal, select OK, select this center point and center point of this circle, make them horizontal and select OK. Smart dimension, give this, so this distance between these two circles is 36 mm and select OK. Same for this face, again draw two circles like this, select smart dimension, diameter will be 19 mm, distance 32 mm, and from this line to this center point this distance will be 19 mm, select OK and let's escape this, select these two circles and make them equal, select OK, again select this center point and this center point of the circle and make them horizontal, select OK, smart dimension, and distance between these two circles will be 38 mm and select OK. Now let's go to features and select extruded cut, end condition will be through all, select OK. So that's it. Now let's proceed to our fillets. So I will select here fillet, give it a distance of 3 mm and select this edges. So I will select this face, this edge, this whole, not this whole surface, not this whole face. Let's select delete it, select this edge also and select this edge, revolve it, select all of these edges, let's uncheck this face, delete it, delete this edge also. Let me choose this edge as well as this face. Sorry, this edge is selecting. Let's delete this, select this face, as well as select this edge, this face, and this edge. Let's select this upper face. So it's selected all. Now this edge was remaining. Select this edge as well as this edge. So that's it, and select OK. All of our edges are now converted into fillets. So let's select this fillet and select here appearance, fillet, give it some color of red. Okay. Again, now let's select this boss extrude, this cut extrude, all this. This cut extrude, this, not this. So all of these are selected. Let's go to appearance and select this color, make it okay. So that's it in this tutorial. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.